Hi, this is Bill. What I'm about to present to you is how you could resolve incidents faster by using advanced work assignments. With advanced work assignments, you could basically efficiently find the correct ticket based on the agent skill set, capacity, and also its availability. And right now, as you can see, Laxmi, who is logged in as a service desk agent, or it could be a level 2, level 3 agent, and automatically tickets are routed to her based on that attributes that I have mentioned. And as we navigate to the overview, automatically the correct ticket is assigned to her, removing the triaging or finding the correct person to attend to this particular ticket. As you can also view that any unassigned tickets will also fall to the queue and allowing the manager to reassign or auto-assign it, or ServiceNow will auto-assign it to the correct person who is next available. So now on this example here, based on her availability, in this example, there's only one, but there could be a possibility of multiple tickets queuing. And as she accepts this ticket that is routed based to her skill set, then Laxmi will be able to resolve the ticket since she or he is specialized to this specific problem or issue that needs to be attended. And to move forward, all this information are tagged into a centralized monitoring system, which is the Advanced Work Assignments Operations dashboard. So the manager or the director or the product owner will be able to view who are the available agents, what items they're working, and they have the full visibility of what's in queue, the efficiency of the team, and so on. So ServiceNow is doing a great job in improving the mean time to resolve in CSAT scores by automatically routing the ticket to the right people, removing lost time, and improving the lead time, and definitely increasing CSAT and MTTR scoring. This is all for now. Thank you very much.